Hello and welcome to our video, How and Why to be specific when manifesting a specific person. This video may be one of the most important ones you will ever see when it comes to manifesting a specific person. So trust me and stay until the end, because what you are about to find out may change the way you manifest. And always in my videos you can find timestamps, so check them for your convenience. And of course, if you enjoy the content of our channel, you can always subscribe and leave a like in the video. And now it's time to get started. So, this video is for everyone that may have attempted to manifest their specific person or soulmate, but they have failed. If you have tried to manifest your special person, but you keep meeting inappropriate or emotionally unavailable people that they are not ready to commit to you, then this video is for you, so stay tuned. Now, the trap most people fall into. When trying to manifest a specific person, many people fall into the trap and they are just way too open in their choices. If you wish to manifest just a temporary relationship, then go ahead and be as vague as you wish. But when you want to manifest a person that you want to spend your life with, or someone that will be there for you for a long time, then it's time to be specific. And that's exactly why in this video I will show you why you have to be specific, and in the end of the video I will give you a list of questions and examples on how to do it successfully. Okay, now let's talk about how to create your SP list. So, the first step is do some searching. Yes, searching. When you wish to attract a specific person into your life, make sure to think it through and search within yourself whom you desire. Now pay attention here, because this is exactly why you manifest emotionally unavailable and uncommitting people. And that's exactly why you need to be specific. That's right, this is the second step, to be specific. Be precise and clear. If you want someone to be committed to you and love you fully, then go ahead and say it. Otherwise, you may find the exact person you are looking for, but they may be cheaters, uncommitted or unavailable. So, if you desire a man who is 6'5", has blue eyes, a six-pack, and loves hiking as much as you do, then go ahead and be that specific. And again, if you want your SP to love you and be fully committed, then again be specific. Say it. Now for the third step, we have compromise. As mentioned previously, you have to be very specific in your desire, but you have to find some sectors that you can compromise. There are numerous times when you wish for something and it manifests, but in kind of a different way. For example, you may be able to meet your soulmate, but they may be in Australia. So, if you don't mind moving to Australia, or they don't mind coming wherever you live, then you are a winner. Otherwise, there's going to be a problem. And that is exactly why I mentioned compromise and on what sectors you would do it. Okay, now let's talk about how to make our list step by step. So, after these three mental steps, search, specific and compromise, next create something like a list by writing down, like scripting or journaling, or even you can do it in your imagination, the following. Now for the first step, we have the physical traits. Think how you want your SP to be: tall, dark, green eyes, six-pack abs, etc. I leave this all to you. Now for the second step, we have the qualities and traits you wish your SP had. Hardworking, loving, generous, etc. I will give you a full list of traits just to help you out with your list in the end of the video. Now for the third step, we have interaction. But what does interaction mean? It means how your life will feel when you're together. I will also give you a list of suggestions in the end of the video. And now, for the fourth step, we have some other factors that you need to consider regarding your SP. For example, where the person lives, if they are divorced, if their family is supportive, if they have kids with another partner, what their sexual orientation is, etc. For the fifth step is also very important and is called surrender. Assume it has been fulfilled. Feel like your desire is completed. Even if you have an imaginary list, just say it is done, and feel as if you have manifested your soulmate. And now for the sixth step, we have our final list. Your list should look something like that. I would like a woman or a man that is blonde, tall, generous, lives in the same city as mine, wants to have kids, etc. I leave it all to you. And the last step is to review and optimize your list. Make the list as long as you like. Keep putting as many traits as you wish and keep optimizing, adding or changing the list as often as you like, and then do the surrender process again. And now it is time for the list of traits I promised you. Generous, adorable, talented, compassionate, grateful. Romantic, sweet, forgiving, good-looking, shy, rich, emotionally available, loving, dedicated, honest. Intelligent, caring, beautiful, healthy, faithful, athletic, loving, giving, wild, adventurous, helpful, smart. Educated, sexy, respectful, meticulous, discreet, seductive, mindful, spiritual, accepting, cuddly, adaptive. And now it's time for the questions that you need to ask yourself. Now, the first question to ask is how you imagine your life together. What kind of lifestyle would you have? Adventurous? Laid back? How would you spend your time together? Going hiking or watching TV? And now, the second question has to do about common interests. Would you have common interests or completely different ones? Would you like to keep learning new things all the time? Or would you like to spend time together while having the same hobbies, etc.? And the third question is about children. Would you like to have children together? Or would you accept someone else's children? Think this through and how it would impact your life. Thank you for tuning in. Now try watching the suggested videos.